Hello guys,
Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you best hashtags for Instagram. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on red color subscribe button and turn on notification for regular updates. In this video, I have covered the topics like what is hashtag, how Instagram hashtag works, and list of the best hashtags for Instagram. Without any delay, let's get started. What is a hashtag? A hashtag is a metadata tag with the combination of letters, numbers, special characters, emoji used by placing the hash symbol in front of them. By adding the hash symbol, the word will be turned into a clickable word, and helps in sorting out the posts according to those hashtags. Moreover, you can also find all the posts of a particular hashtag just by searching or by clicking on it. These hashtags help in ranking your posts in the search results or on the newsfeed. How Instagram hashtag works. Hashtags play a major role in driving the post into many people's feed and boosting it more than regular. Basically, hashtags organize the posts like photos and videos according to the hashtags used. Whenever someone searches for a particular hashtag, then there are chances of finding your post in the results. Also, many researchers stated as adding the hashtags in a correct count will help in boosting the post by 12.6% than regular. On the other hand, adding fewer or more than 30 hashtags to a post doesn't perform well in ranking the post. Now let's see the list of hashtags. These are the common and popular hashtags for Instagram to gain followers and likes. Use these hashtags to any random posts and it works. Hashtags for Instagram Reels. Reels is the latest feature introduced by Instagram to create and showcase video content. In a very short time, it became more popular and helped many public figures to become more popular. The hashtag techniques can be applied to Instagram Reels too. So, here is the list of some trending hashtags for Instagram Reels. Hashtags for photography. Photography is one of the trending topics on Instagram. Many people are trying to show their photography skills by posting the photos and videos on their social media profiles. But only few of them are getting recognized. This is all because of adding suitable hashtags to their posts. Here are the top trending hashtags for photography. Popular hashtags for travel posts. Are you a travel freak and sharing all your travel experience on your social media handles, but not getting much response or reach to your posts? Then, these hashtags are for you. Popular hashtags for nature posts. Trending hashtags for food-related posts. Best hashtags for fashion posts. Powerful hashtags for art-related posts. Trending hashtags for motivational posts. Use the hashtags according to the category of post for better performance. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.